Curseforge won't launch. In the next 60 seconds, let's fix it step by step. First, fully close Curseforge and Overwolf from the system tray. Then try launching again. If that fails, restart your PC. A fresh reboot clears stuck background processes that can block the launcher. Next, run Curseforge as administrator. Right-click the shortcut, then choose Run as administrator. Still not opening? Temporarily disable your antivirus and Windows Defender real-time protection. Then test Curseforge. If it now launches, re-enable your protection and add Curseforge and Overwolf as allowed apps or exclusions. If it still won't start, open Task Manager and end any Curseforge, Overwolf, or Minecraft-related background tasks. Now clear the Curseforge cache. Open the App Data folder, delete temporary Curseforge cache files, and try again. If you recently changed Minecraft or game folders, open Curseforge settings and confirm the correct game and instance paths. Still broken? Uninstall Overwolf and Curseforge. Then download the latest installer from the official Curseforge website and reinstall. After reinstalling, launch Curseforge again. This should repair corrupted files and reset broken configs. You're done. If Curseforge now opens and your mod packs load, you've fixed it. Enjoy your games and subscribe for more quick PC fixes.